Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to know who is checking your about section. So I told you how to edit your about section, about feature, basically what you want to convey to overall on your profile of WhatsApp. But on WhatsApp iPhone, how do you change the visibility of your about to either everyone, my contacts except some people, and actually nobody can see it also. So what we're gonna do is go to your settings area and tap on privacy. Now here you will get option of about, and you tap there and you will see four options: everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. So this will help you to adjust who can see your WhatsApp about section. If you tap on my contacts except, then you have to select the contacts that you don't want them to see your about section. So that's it. That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da.